Hey everyone, good evening. It's Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to look at the Grayscale Ethereum Trust? This is ETHE. Now, this isn't for everyone, and I know that because not everyone likes crypto, but here are the facts. Bitcoin was a massive mover in late 2023, in large part because of the forthcoming Bitcoin ETFs like IBIT and FBTC. These two together have taken in, I think, around $5 or $6 billion worth of flows just in 2024 alone. Now, from what I understand, they are going to be launching Ethereum ETFs sometime this year, maybe around April or May. We should know more. But my thought is if Ethereum ETFs, spot ETFs, are going to be coming to market, we may see a bit of a run in Ethereum, which, if I bring up the chart here, is pushing through the 50-day moving average and doing it on pretty good volume. So I think we should definitely keep an eye on the ETHE ETF as a way to get Ethereum exposure via the stock market before those Ethereum ETFs come to market, because we may see a bit of a sell the news event just like we did with Bitcoin. Now, the interesting thing is, when we had that sell the news event on Bitcoin, we actually saw Ethereum pop up. So while Bitcoin was falling, Ethereum was popping up. It pulled back, chopped under the 50-day moving average here for a minute. And then again, like I said, now back above the 50-day. So I definitely think ETHE looks actionable in and around that 50-day moving average. That's a pretty clear level of support on this asset. And I want to know if we can get follow through and maybe a continuation of this move to the upside for a potential test of even $28 would be pretty darn good for a hype run into the launch of those Ethereum spot ETFs. So that's just one idea of many that we're looking at tonight at StockMarketMentor.com and at Crypto Market Mentor, a service we run through Stock Market Mentor. So if that's interesting to you, definitely take a trial. Click StockMarketMentor.com for more, and hopefully I'll see you on the other side.